Okay, it's getting pretty late, but I wanted to start this recording. So, I've quite seriously dug up sanctuary debugger code yesterday, and I wanted to go through the process of fixing that or cleaning the code while recording it. So I don't know if I can follow it today because it's pretty late. But it would be nice to get started, and yeah, I don't think I'll be explaining so much because I don't know myself perfectly where I'm going with it or how it started. In any case, I was pushing too much information through serialized data to then be able to display that in a debugger. Now the debugger is already a glitched version. It should not like that precisely. Yeah, so I wanted to reduce on that because there was way too much data sent being duplicated, and then it was also hard to dig through it, and I think it's time to clean this thing up. So I already did something about the serializable matter stuff. I extracted this interface from it, but the serializable, there should be some of the serializable version of the spell occurrence, and it's not using that interface yet, and it would be good if it did. Because then probably it would be also good if there were different types of spell occurrences as well by their categories here, because they have a bunch of categories, and yeah, and then that wouldn't be here. Past all, and I think this would be a class and moving away from structs in C# because I don't think I know how to use them before, and basically classes with constructors and private fields seem better for what? For data immutability, and that's nice. And so here, let's begin the same as it's going here. I'm just going to need coordinate timestamp, I guess. That's not going to be here. Is that so? Okay. Okay, that's good. They're from small letter weirdly, lowercase comma, because that's how I denote types that are then used on a website in JavaScript. I don't think I even need to mark it serializable, but it looks nice. Okay, so that's the base interface, and now we would need types. Wait, seriously. Okay, let's duplicate something like that but here. Spell occurrence, and instead we have spell occurrence category here, and then in getters setters. Okay, that's not gonna be here, and okay, that interface here, we want to use it just like here, we want to mark it in the base class as abstract. Yes. And now we have the concrete implementations for public class serial created spell appearance. It will be that's gonna be it. Implement the members, and yeah, that override is gonna be here, but it will still be want to create it, and it actually will contain the reference to the spell. So that needs to be passed here. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's fine. And now what are the other types? It has mana, no mana, wisp, which means error and forgot. So I wonder we could repeat each of those for every type. But yes, let's not overthink it. No, let's be lazy. Serialize will other. Can I be lazy? No, I can't be lazy. Shut up. Because do I need to create each one of those for that? Because for them forgotten them. Instead of that, I would have to have create spell reference and get only that would be small letter. Yes, we can be lazy. We can be lazy. And the lazy will be what's happening here? We just pass. We're gonna pass this. We're just gonna pass it here. Okay, so this way we get to be lazy because only the created spell will contain the actual serialized spell. All the other ones will just have the reference, the GUID of that spell. Okay, so now, yeah, there's gonna be trouble here because they don't know this type of serialization. Yes. Okay. Spell stream. Is that the only place where stable letters is the reference? I don't know. Okay, yeah, they're locked here anyway, apparently, since I wasn't using the spells. But now we're gonna have to do that. So we're gonna have to unlock this. Remember about that. Let's make So here, yeah, so we're not using, we have to differentiate. So if occurrence category is created, then you have one behavior, else you have another, and it's gonna be I think maybe that should work. Wait. Equals new. Sorry, new created. Yes, that's exactly it. And we're doing like this. Occurrence, great. Got past here. Timestamp, we have this. And spell. Look at this. Okay. And now we're gonna repeat this here, but serializable adder. And instead of passing that here, we're going to pass category, which will be occurrence spell category, and the important one, occurrence source grid. I think that's a spell grid. Yes, that's the spell grid. Oh, this old code is scary. Let's not look too much there, otherwise we'll change into a story. No, it's all good. So, yeah, I know that we can get rid of this. And we're gonna do that. Yeah, but it's not initialized. Okay, because because we need to change the tag. We're actually gonna be doing that. Okay, yeah. Yeah, later also message that should be done, but it's not a big deal. Okay, realm, because our nation is expecting a different type in Harry's consulate here. Yep. Okay, that's good. And realm, which is that representation here. We need that. And we need to also do this. Okay, so A is apparently good. Now to realm, making sure. So how is this working here? This is fine. This is the classic conversion. Nothing interesting. I can stay. You could just don't know. Let's be never empty, that's not a problem. Why is that even checked? Like that has to be checked if it's not. That maybe, but not anything. Lock trace. Okay, they can stay. And that's gonna get past this occurrence, and this way we should be already landing here. I closed. Should be already here. Areas policy, that's for another time. Yeah, so that's the new occurrence thing that's getting called here. It's a new occurrence. And that's received here. I'm trying to quit this function. But still, we're gonna have problems with this serialization. In any case, we need to generate some data with spell occurrences because they were locked for a while, so they're not gonna be. Yes. In test data. So let's make sure. You can get that test data here. Sorry. I hope for the day it doesn't render recompile so long. So now there's definitely going to be problems with this serialization because I've done some changes to the types here. So I just added this spell reference. So when it is serializing spell occurrence, we're going to need to add new types here as well. We have the yeah, and that's not gonna be here. I'm gonna have spell created spell occurrence. I'm gonna have other spell occurrence. And so that's in this case we're inheriting from this. That's gonna have our occurrence category. That's gonna have the spell. That's gonna have the instead spell reference. String. Yes. Yeah, now they're gonna be very unhappy here. Oh yeah, this whole idea of these functions in those methods, that's gonna have to go. That was a bad idea anyway. And I didn't like this idea. Okay, this is brutal. Let's run. let's run this. And let's see how many JSON gonna be serialized now. It's gonna be so much more. Since I re-enabled spells, the codec has gotten pretty loud. Still so silent, and yet so loud. Okay. Yes, many errors. What's happening? Yeah, just... Okay. I need to deal with it, because that's also annoying me when I have JavaScript error. Unity, this thing goes crazy. So maybe also, if I would just tell this browser, why is it, if it's speaking, then you don't need that. So there is a question why I think he's got into some insane loop. Yes, it's going like a crazy loop. Yes, it's just that's completely perfect. Who's responsible for sending that? I know. Yeah, we want to learn that here. So, it's the function of sending a message. If I would just get yes, naturally, because someone's trying to do something, then they try to speak this message, then that gets error, creates exception, and it tries to do it again. Well, actually I don't know why is it doing, why is it looping, but shit. Okay, and let's get rid of this. But why is it getting into the loop? Where does it all start? So it's not there. Okay, it's trying to get sent that. And okay, I can accept this log, but I don't know why. Is it getting in this crazy loop? There's a really should be hundreds of them. I'm not sending that many event information to it. It's still gonna be here. It's just like wishful thinking of me. Yep. Oh my god, it's so slow. Hours later, Unity. Is it like a loop? No, it's not an infinite loop. Like, is it? It's more bad. No, it's here. It was. No, let's see how much. Okay, 4,000 serializations. It's getting into some crazy loop. But that still shouldn't last so long to parse that data. That's what. Now that's gonna be a pretty fat file for 4,000. Okay, 8 megabytes of text data, that's a lot. That's not good. That's not good, that could have caused a choke. Okay, so I'm getting like a crazy loop. Okay, of course I'm getting this loop. Like it should be absolutely forbidden here. Yeah, I can't speak to Jaka here. I can be look because that feeds it back. Because Jaka speak in the end will be trying to push that as a message occurrence back into the okay. So that will be an easy fix. It's ridiculous. To not This is fine. This is fine. Again, is it fine here? Feels a different case here. Put my hand in the sand. Don't ask too many questions. This color doesn't work anyway, and it annoys me. Okay, so that should prevent the loop. Let's see. It did prevent it, okay. Just sent a lot of shit. But it hung. But it's no longer looping. So it kinda makes sense because there's 800 for tracing requests. Now how fat is that then? 270 kilobytes. It's still too fat. Why is it still like created? Yeah, honestly, for now, I could simplify the processes. I'm only interested in types of either created or forgotten spells. I'm not interested in no mana and wisps at the moment. So, is it still caps locked? Yes. Expel is created on forgot. No. Okay. So it's good. Now we should have to test data. It should be that it's here. It looks better that at least like it's only passing like now it's created one, so we can see all the details of the spell. And then there's this one. See again. Okay, so it's good. Also, there's a lot of repetitions here, so I guess text compression it shouldn't be so fat. Hopefully. Maybe I should be trying to wait when they're going good. And yeah. So I also maybe codes indeed weren't such a good idea because I don't need like that like absolute uniquely certain identifier because it takes a lot of space. But I was a bit obsessed about that potential like repetition. But yeah, that can be worked out one day. We need now. We now need to get this thing to work from all these errors. So when we're deserializing it, well, that's gonna be a problem. But we're gonna have to differentiate. So I think I've done something similar already. Deserialized matter, and here we're gonna have to differentiate if spell category equals occurrence category dot created, then we have something that here, and we have that here, and we have that. Let's just take that to here for a moment. And create a spell occurrence, and that's gonna be fine. Errors. We won't have spell here, we have spell reference, and that's where we're gonna get from here. Okay. That should be fine. Oh my god, yeah, there's this now. So honestly, that has to be I don't like this thing, it has to be cute with this. Okay, that's looking well. Oh, it's so slow. Oh, come on. What the hell? What? I don't understand. No, this is dead. So maybe just one. Just again. What?